Hello student, I am Shivam sir. Welcome back to another important video. Today we will discuss unit of rate constant for gaseous equations. So I am telling you unit of rate constant. Look here. Suppose the order of reaction is n. This is reactant converted into product. You know very well rate is directly proportional to concentration to the power n. Now rate is denoted by dx upon dt. When we remove this directly proportional sign, then we get constant K, rate constant K, concentration to the power n, where K is rate constant. Rate constant. After this, dx is a concentration, dt is time, and this is in multiply, it become here in divide. So we can write concentration to the power n is equal to K. Okay students, after this we get K is equal to this is we can write a concentration. When bases are same, then division powers are subtracted. Power is here 1 and here is power n. So we can write K is equal to concentration to the power 1 minus n and time to the power 1. In numerator it become time inverse. In the place of concentration we can write mole per liter to the power 1 minus n time inverse. Okay students, so this is the main formula to write order of unit of rate constant for different order of reaction. So with the help of this formula we can write the unit of rate constant 1 minus n. We have to write different order reaction unit easily. Reaction order unit. Reaction order unit. Here is given reaction. So reactions are zero order reaction, first order reaction, second order reaction, third order reaction, and we have to write their order. N is equal to 0, n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, and after this we get unit. You have to learn this formula. Rate constant K is equal to mole per liter to the power 1 minus n time. And when we write time in from numerator to denominator, it becomes time inverse. Okay. So look here. First order zero order reaction, zero order reaction, n is equal to 0, so unit become K is equal to mole, and here is 0, so we can write mole liter inverse time inverse. Okay students, next first order reaction. First order reaction we have to take n is equal to 1. This is the formula you have to learn. 1 to the power 1 minus n, mole per liter to the power 1 minus n. Put here 1. When we put here 1, n is equal to 1, then we get 1 minus 1 0. Mole per liter to the power 0 value is 1. We get unit of rate constant time inverse. Unit of rate constant K. After this, for second order reaction, second order reaction, Put here n is equal to 2. Put here n is equal to 2. 1 minus 2 we get minus 1. So we get mole to the power minus 1 liter time inverse. Again look here. For second order reaction we have to put here n is equal to 2. 1 minus 2 minus 1 mole to the power minus 1 and liter in numerator become liter. Liter inverse in numerator become liter and time inverse. Third order reaction. Third order reaction. N is equal to 3. Now we have to put here n is equal to 3. When we put here n is equal to 3 we get 1 minus 3 minus 2. 1 minus 3. Put here n is equal to 3 we get 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Mole to the power minus 2 liter to the power 2 time inverse. Okay students, so these are the units of rate constant for different order reaction. Now I am telling you unit of rate constant for gaseous equation. For gaseous equation. In case of gaseous equation we have to take here atmosphere. In the place of concentration we have to take atmosphere, ATM. We have to take here ATM, atmospheric pressure. So unit of rate constant for gaseous equation. For zero order reaction we have to put here 0. We get ATM time inverse. After this for first order reaction we have to put here 1. 1 minus 1 0. ATM to the power 0 value is 1. We get for first order reaction unit time inverse. Now put here 2. When we put here 2 for second order reaction put here 2. 1 minus 2 we get minus 1. So we get unit ATM to the power minus 1 time inverse. Put here 3. 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. We get ATM to the power minus 2 time inverse. Okay students, I hope that you can understand all the point in this video. So subscribe my YouTube channel, share it to your all friends. Okay students, like this video. If you have any problem, any doubt, then write it in comment box.